Hey friends, if you encounter memory management error 0x0000001A on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the antivirus scan for malware. So, search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab. Click on Scan options. Select Full Scan. Select Scan Now. The next solution is to update the device drivers. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Advanced Options. Select Optional Features. Expand the list for optional features. Select this. Click on Download and Install. The next solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. Select Restart Now and check for problems. The next solution is Disk Cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and open Disk Cleanup. Click on OK and then select all of these options here and then click on OK once again and then select Delete Files. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.